Alright, so here we are out at the shelter location, setting up the tent for the Novemburrr camp out. We just tied the ridge line to the tent. James has the fire going. He's got his Purcell grill set up with the kettle on it. We're going to have something to drink here in just a bit. And we came up, we've been up here for just about an hour now. Sun's rising beautifully. It was -1 this morning. About -2 at about 8 o'clock as the sun started to rise. But beautiful, beautiful morning. Chickadees have been up in here and singing in the trees. And squirrels, once again, squirrels are leaving their magic mushrooms up in the tree to dry for wintertime. All around, as I showed in the last video. So I'll get back to you guys in just a bit. But just wanted to show you how we're making out here.
Ridge line, I thought that was my camera beeping. We got the ridge line up, and so in true government fashion I figured it was break time. It's time for coffee. So water was boiling. There we go. So we'll have
It's all good.
Yeah, we'll have a coffee and
So you put more in there.
My A-Light chair. It's just a 2-leg chair. It's less than a pound, I think, or right around a pound, maybe less than a pound. But boy, I love this chair. It gets you off the wet, because the grass is wet today. It gets you off that wet, cold ground. You balance on it, and super comfortable. Luxury item, but you know. Your dentist?
Arthur Street,
Oh, okay.
Spence Clinic.
Oh, in the Spence Clinic.
Yeah, second floor. Shaping up, shaping up.
We just finished tying out the ridge poles for the tent. The only thing we have left to do is actually the base of the tent needs to be pegged down. But and you know, there's going to be a little bit of tweaking. See that knot's coming loose. It's going to be a little bit of tweaking because we got to tighten these up as the ropes stretch and everything. We're going to tighten these up and we can lift these up because they're just on a tripod. But this is basically the each one it's going to be looking like. Once you take up the outside, it's got a nice skirt. We're going to cut a hole in here, put a wood stove right down here, and yeah, this will be
Yeah. Got everything just about where we want it. A little bit of tweaking to do when we come out next. Everything's up. 12 by 14. Look from the inside while the sun's there. That's where the stove jack is. The stove pipe will come through here. Stove will lay here. Back window